Hello guys, welcome to the 38th session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In this session we will learn how to deploy your application. I will deploy both client-side as well as server-side model in this session. Let us start with the client-side environment. For this, right-click on the project, select Publish. If you are first time publishing your application, then you will get this window. We can publish our application directly on Azure, App Service, IIS, or save it in the folder. For this session, I will publish it in the folder and manually set the publish directory path in IIS. Select the folder where you want to publish and click on the Publish button. It will build project first. Here, our project successfully published in this directory. Now let's open it by holding the Control button. Open the folder. Under the distribution folder, all files will be saved. It includes index.html static folders like CSS and sample data. This framework folder is created by Blazor. It contains JavaScript files for WASM and C# conversation. WASM folder contains files for Mono. And this bin directory contains DLLs of your project and its dependencies. If we open this index page, open the console. Here we got an error message that it was unable to load the file. This error occurred because we need to update the base path here. I am not changing this right now because I will host this in IIS. Open IIS. Create a new website. Give the site name Blazor Client Site. Paste path for this distribution folder. Copy path of this distribution folder and paste it. Update port number. Click on OK button. Here website is created. Click on Browse button to open the site. Here our application is loaded as per our expectations. If we change the page, it will update it. Behavior will be same as we have seen by running in Visual Studio in prior sessions. Here I have updated it in IIS, but you can use any hosting environment. It doesn't have any dependency on ASP.NET Core because all DLLs will be downloaded on the client side. Now let's see how to deploy the server-side Blazor app. Like the client-side environment, we need to publish it in folder. Here, project published. Maximize this window. You need to upload these files if you want to deploy the application. It doesn't include too many files. Here it includes exe file as well as the web config file. So, this will not only work under an environment that supports ASP.NET Core. Let's create another website to deploy this application. Update the path to published files. Change port. And browse website. And here it loads. Again it will work the same. Here I have published projects in a folder and hosted in IIS. but you can use it from various available publish and hosting options. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.